The 2018-2019 Honda Monkey. Honda puts out a lot of fun products, it's true, but few machines can match the level of whimsy you get from the Honda Monkey. That's right folks, the iconic monkey bike that served as a mini self-Uber in Japanese amusement parks back in the 60s is back with a new look and powerplant for what the factory surely hopes is a new era of monkey madness. The 2019 update of this little pocket bike bears the genetic markers of the original without being a slave to it, with a 9.25 horsepower modern powerplant, larger wheels thank goodness, and disc brakes. Honda Monkey design. Beefy tires and inverted front forks lend the Monkey some serious business credibility, even if its diminutive size brings smiles from passers-by. Right. No matter how you slice it, the Monkey falls within what most of us think of as the mini bike category. Granted, it's not quite as diminutive as the originals that ran with 5-inch solid wheels and a 49cc engine with folding bars so you could shove it in a trunk, but it's still the runt of the litter even compared to Honda's cheeky little Grom with only 45.47 inches between contact patch centers and an overall compact build. Beefy tires and inverted front forks lend the Monkey some serious business credibility right up front, with a classic round LED headlight can and turn signals that help tend to the street legalities, and a triple tree mount fender to contain the front wheel fling. Mini apes raise the hands enough to keep them out of your knees, mostly anyway, and that puts the mirrors high enough to see over your thighs. A faux tuck and roll bench seat provides the pilot with room to scoot back as needed for legroom, within reason of course, and the seat itself rides at 30.5 inches off the ground so you can count on being reasonably uncramped when you deploy your training wheels. A full rear fender prevents that dirty stripe up your back with an LED taillight and rearward winkers to finish off the lights. What can I say? It's as cute as a bug, I just wanna run up and pinch its cheeks. No giga-tea. Honda Monkey chassis. You usually don't see such high-tech this low in the food chain, front and rear disc brakes with ABS and IMU, so it really is a fully modern machine in spite of its small size and classic design. A steel backbone frame on the Monkey serves as the skeleton for our little simian friend, and the factory gave it the same consideration as it.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.